Hi everyone, Carol here at Oak House Journals and another subscriber giveaway today. These two kits, they might be more suitable for those of you that have got little ones in the family or maybe little ones coming along because they're children based. They are both lovely, lovely kits, and again, ones that I've done previously. So let's go through them very quickly for you, so you can see what the prizes are. This one is called Bear Parade or Teddy Bear Parade, I think it's called. Let's have a look. It's County Cross Stitch Baby Collection, and it's called Teddy Bear Parade. And this was very sweet. The colours were lovely, equally suitable for a boy or a girl because it's pinks and blues and purples. The finish size is 16 inches by 8 inches or 41 centimetres by 20 centimetres. And again, you get the instructions. This is an American kit, I think it was. Yeah, made in America. This was an American kit. So they refer to the DMC threads as cotton floss. So you've got your colour chart and symbols there and really detailed making up instructions. So you've got your embroidery instructions there because there are some French knots and some straight stitch included in this kit. There's your embroidery stitch instructions, your finishing instructions, so if you want to block it and frame it. And then over the page, it tells you what the kit contains. Well, obviously it doesn't contain the fabrics and the floss or the cotton, but obviously it's got this lot of instructions and the chart. It's got some general information, and then that is the chart itself. Now this one is not in such immaculate condition as the previous kits that I've been offering. As you can see, it is a little bit worn and weary, and the simple reason for that is because I was actually given this kit myself, and then obviously it's had a couple of owners, but everything is there that you will need to do that picture. And as I say, it is a lovely one to do, great to hang up in a baby's room, so, or a grandchild's room, or your own child's room, wherever, or just to do. So that is one of the prizes. And this one, oh gosh, I adored doing this one. This was, I thought at first it was a French kit, but it wasn't. It comes from the Netherlands, and this is a baby's height chart. So it's absolutely gorgeous. The picture here doesn't do it justice in the slightest, but I did this for my goddaughter when she was born, so you can put the date on the bottom if you want to, or not, as the case may be, but it is big, I warn you, because as I say, it's a height chart. So this measures 130 centimeters in height and the width is 24 centimeters. But it was amazing to do, and these characters on it are just so cute. They really pop. The colours pop on this one. It looks very muted on here, but it was lovely to do. I did the baby in the bower for my godson, and then when my goddaughter came along, I did this height chart. Now, the chart for this is huge. It comes in several pieces, which is good because you need to be able to see clearly, but it's really easy to follow. And if I flip it over, it's in all different languages. So it's in Dutch, French, German, Italian, Spanish and English. So there's plenty of languages there for the instructions. The chart is, this is obviously your thread count and your symbols for your chart. As you can see, the chart is double-sided here, so it's a massive chart. I'll flip it over there, you can see, and you get alphabet letters and you get numbers as well. You've also got an area up the top here on the chart. Let me put, like up here they've put Marcel, but you could equally put your child's name. And then there is another set of instructions here and more of the chart here with more simple information. So as I say, this is not for the faint-hearted, this one, because it is so big, but it is an absolutely lovely one when it's finished. So everybody, as usual, those are my 2 kits as my giveaway prizes for this week. To enter, if you want to win one of these, all you need to do is please be a subscriber to my YouTube channel and to leave me a comment in the not in the description box, leave me a comment underneath the video. It doesn't have to be much, you can just say hi, but you do need to leave me a comment if you want to be in the draw, because the draw date will be the 10th of April next, and I will pick 2 comments out of the comments that have been left for this video as my winners for these 2 kits. So I hope you like those, everybody. I know that if you win one of these, you'll have fun doing them, because they really are lovely kits to do. I just enjoy doing all of my kits, I have to say. As I say, they have been a little bit worn and weary, these 2 particular kits, but you still have everything you need to be able to do these pictures. So thanks so much for taking part, everybody. Thanks so much for watching, and take care. Bye bye now.